Aces! Welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and I'm going to pass things over to Heather Ferris for today's video where she will explain how to improve your take-home pay with great customer service. In the fast-paced world of casino dealing, surprises are just part of the job, but how you handle them can make or break the guest experience. This video dives into the art of staying composed and professional in the face of the unexpected, ensuring you turn every curveball into an opportunity for success. And maybe a great story for later. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll always be notified of our latest videos and live streams. Now, on with the show.
Being a casino dealer is nothing like working in an office cubicle all day. Yes, we deal the same games over and over again, but every day is different and we're always meeting new people. Because of our profession, we see a high number of surprising incidents. And that's one of the reasons why dealers have the best stories, because we see the craziest things. Since shocking circumstances are so normal in this industry, we have an entire step dedicated to it. Step number 13, the ability to handle surprises. When a surprise happens, we typically say or do the first thing that comes to mind without thinking about the ramifications, and that usually results in undesirable consequences. It's very difficult to train yourself to stop reacting or to put a filter on your mouth so you don't say the wrong thing at the wrong time. It's not the surprise, but how you handle the surprise that matters. Try not to react at first until you've given yourself enough time to process what's going on. For example, don't laugh hysterically while pointing at the high roller who just did something incredibly embarrassing. That kind of reaction will get you in trouble the second the high roller hears you laughing. There are so many different scenarios that happen in a casino that we would be sitting here talking about it for the next decade. What matters is that we handle these surprises with a level of dignity and professionalism instead of laughing, gawking, or pointing like we normally would. Customer service can throw you a curveball, and sometimes your problem isn't covered in the company guidelines or the guest isn't reacting the way you thought they would. Whatever the case may be, remember to keep your cool, filter your words, act like a professional, and if the situation is too much to handle, then call over your floorman and he'll either help you out or you guys will have a great story to share in the future.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel so we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all of these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it is worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the Toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your Toke numbers via our Toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first Toke board, and so much more, all at our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until next time, stay lucky, Aces.